next talk of global markets. In US, Nasdaq ended at a record high yesterday, with S&P 500 and Dow also rising as gains in heavyweight tech stocks outweighed downbeat data that affirmed the Federal Reserve's view of a difficult road to economic recovery. Meanwhile, Apple also, the gains were recorded there after it touched $2 trillion in market cap. It's the only publicly listed company in US to cross $2 trillion market value. Meanwhile, Amazon.com and Microsoft, they also underpinned the three main indices gains as investors bet they would ride out economic crisis as well. The Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI, it ended up 46.85 points or 0.17% at 27,739. S&P 500 gained 0.3% to end at 3,385, and Nasdaq Composite added 1.06% to end at 11,264. Nasdaq clocked its 19th record closing high since early June, when it confirmed its recovery from COVID-19 sell-off. Thursday's record close was its 35th so far this year, compared with 31 record closings highs in 2019 and 2019 in 2018. In other Asia markets, while Australian S&P 200 futures were up 0.17%. Japan's Nikkei, their futures added 0.13%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng futures there rose 0.71%. Meanwhile, gold prices have rebounded overnight and after US jobless data on demand for safe haven asset. Spot gold added 0.8% to end at $1,945 an ounce. Meanwhile, US gold futures settled down 1.2% to $1,946.5 an ounce. Taking a look at crude prices, the prices there fell about 1% today, meanwhile as concerns mounted about excess crude supplies. OPEC Plus had said on Wednesday that oil market recovery appeared to be slower than anticipated, with growing risks of a prolonged second wave of pandemic. US crude futures settled down 0.8% at $42.58 per barrel. Meanwhile, Brent crude futures settled at $44.9 per barrel, was down 1%.